फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच एक्ट प्राइमली गवर्न्स एंटी टेररिज्म लॉज इन पाकिस्तान। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी, एंटी टेररिज्म एक्ट। व्हेन वाज द एंटी टेररिज्म एक्ट इनेक्टेड इन पाकिस्तान। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी, 1997। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एंटी टेररिज्म एक्ट इन पाकिस्तान। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, कॉम्बैट टेररिज्म एंड सेक्टरियन वायलेंस। विच पाकिस्तानी बॉडी इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग एंटी टेररिज्म लॉज। करेक्ट आंसर है सी, CTD। व्हाट डज CTD स्टैंड्स फॉर। करेक्ट आंसर है बी, काउंटर टेररिज्म डिपार्टमेंट। Which agency in Pakistan gathers intelligence related to terrorism? Correct answer है ISI। What role does the National Counter Terrorism Authority play? Correct answer है B, coordinate counter terrorism efforts। When was NACTA established? Correct answer है C, 2009। What is one of the main functions of the Anti-Terrorism Act? Correct answer है B, provide for the detention of terror suspects। What year was the Protection of Pakistan Act enacted? Correct answer है C, 2014। Next question, what is the primary aim of the Protection of Pakistan Act? Correct answer है B, combat terrorism। Under the ATA, which counter handles terrorism related cases? Correct answer है C, Anti-Terrorism Court। Which organization is responsible for countering terrorist financing in Pakistan? Correct answer है C, SBP, State Bank of Pakistan। The Financial Action Task Force placed Pakistan on its grey list in which year? Correct answer है C, 2018। Which Pakistani law targets money laundering and terrorist financing? Correct answer है C, Anti-Money Laundering Act। Is one of the measures under the National Action Plan for Counter Terrorism? Correct answer है B, reform religious seminars, madrasas। When was the National Action Plan introduced? Correct answer है B, 2014। When was the trigger event for the introduction of NAP, National Action Plan? Correct answer है C, Army Public School attack in Peshawar, 2014। नेशनल एक्शन प्लान को 2014 में नाफिज किया गया था। कब? जब पेशावर में आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल पर हमला किया गया था। द एंटी टेररिज्म एक्ट इंक्लूड्स प्रोविजंस फॉर। करेक्ट आंसर है बी, फ्रीजिंग असेट्स ऑफ टेररिस्ट। Which organization frequently reviews Pakistan's counter-terrorism efforts? Correct answer है C, FATF, Financial Action Task Force। Under the Anti-Terrorism Act, the definition of terrorism includes. Correct answer है C, acts intended to create terror among the public। Which Pakistani law focus on cyber terrorism? Correct answer है C, Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act। When was the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act enacted? Correct answer है B, 2015। The National Counter Terrorism Authority operates under which ministry? Correct answer है B, Ministry of Interior। Which of the following is a component of NAP, National Action Plan? Correct answer है B, Counter Terrorism and Extremism. The role of the judiciary under anti-terrorism laws includes, correct answer है B, speedy trial of terrorism cases. Pakistani law includes Mayal against hate speech and sectarian violence. Correct answer है B, Anti-Terrorism Act. What is the primary function of the anti-terrorism courts in Pakistan? Correct answer है B, trying terrorism related cases. What role does the Financial Monitoring Unit play in Pakistan's counter-terrorism efforts? Correct answer है C, track and report financial transactions related to terrorism. Which international treaty focus on suppression of terrorist financing? Correct answer है C, International Convention for the Suppression of the Financing of Terrorism. What is one of the measures under the Anti-Terrorism Act to enhance law enforcement capabilities? Correct answer है B, training programs for counter-terrorism. Next question है, the National Internal Security Policy NISP was introduced in which year? Correct answer है B, 2014. Pakistani law includes provisions for the surveillance and interception of communications. Correct answer है B, Anti-Terrorism Act. Which Pakistani law includes provision for the surveillance and interception of communications? Correct answer है C, Protections of Pakistan Act. Under the Anti-Terrorism Act, which agency can freeze the assets of individuals involved in terrorism? Correct answer है C, SBP, State Bank of Pakistan. What is the purpose of the Anti-Money Laundering Act in Pakistan? Correct answer है B, to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing. Which Pakistani law enforcement agency focus on cyber counter-terrorism act efforts? Correct answer है B, Federal Investigation Agency. The Protection of Pakistan Act allows for detention of suspects without trial for up to, correct answer है C, 90 days. Which Pakistani organization focus on intelligence related to counter-terrorism? Correct answer है B, ISI. The Financial Action Task Force monitors global efforts in, correct answer है B, counter-terrorism financing. Which Pakistani law provides for the speedy trial of terrorism cases? Correct answer है B, Anti-Terrorism Act. Which Pakistani city is known for significant counter-terrorism operations? Correct answer है C, कराची. ऑपरेशंस के हवाले से कराची है, अगर हेडक्वार्टर की बात की जाए तो वो इस्लामाबाद है. What is the role of the Pakistan Rangers in counter-terrorism? Correct answer है B, conducting anti-terrorism operations. Which Pakistani law includes provisions for prosecuting hate speech and sectarian violence? Correct answer है B, Anti-Terrorism Act. The National Action Plan includes measures to regulate, correct answer है A, media and hate speech. नेशनल एक्शन प्लान को 2014 में नाफिज किया गया था. Which international organization collaboration with Pakistan in counter-terrorism efforts? Correct answer है C, United Nations. Which Pakistani agency is involved in both domestic and international counter-terrorism activities? Correct answer है B, ISI.